Sorry for the poor lighting, my friends, but you know, as you can see now, so you can have your phone here. So now our camera is looking straight directly down, and you can position this. You know, you could have your phone sticking out here, so your phone would be out here. With that extension, if you put it up like this way, you can have it facing up, you know, and then you can put it to the side, facing outward, frontward, however you want to do. And then of course, they also provided this piece, which makes all that does is thread right in, and you're able to adjust it and then rotate your device around left and right and position it customly however you want. So this is a really nice tripod. I'm actually probably going to be using this for different reviews that I do because it's very practical. Hello my friends, and welcome back. Today we are reviewing this tripod stand holder. So let's go ahead and open it up, test out the quality. You guys are getting a real user experience. My videos are not scripted. I have never seen this product before, so you guys get a real honest unboxing and opening testing video. I strive on being 100% honest with everything that I do. That way you guys know you're getting a real user experience. So right away we see everything is packaged nicely in plastic. It appears that the poles are metal with plastic clamps on them. Oh wow, that's actually really nice. Oh, I like that. That glides really smooth. Looks like they give you the brackets for mounting a camera on. Let's see what else they provide you with. So there is a battery that they provide you with and a remote for taking pictures. So it's probably a Bluetooth remote. So Bluetooth remotes are good. Yeah, so here's a phone mount. Squeeze. Okay, so for a phone you would just pull it open. But yeah, for Bluetooth clickers or remotes, all you have to do is open up your Bluetooth settings, and then under your Bluetooth settings, once this is turned on, you just connect to it, and then you're able to take pictures with your phone. I'm not sure if you can do videos or not. So this is the tripod itself. Again, you guys saw it came in a nice carrying case. Okay, so this style is a little different. So you want to make sure you pull out all the legs at the same time. Because if you don't, you can bend the metal because of this style. So I've seen this style before. So when you're pulling out the legs, pull out the legs kind of evenly. You go from one. Once you get it out to about that far, you can pull the legs out and slide this down. So let's loosen this up a little bit. Slide this down, and that extends the legs out. So you can have the legs like that or lower for more wider support. And then the pole itself, so if we can go ahead, all you do is lift this up to bring it back down, and then you lift this piece up to bring the legs back in. The pole goes in like this. So can you guys see here? So let's loosen this up, and then slide the pole in, and you can actually, yeah, so it'll go the whole way. So you can have it the whole way here if you want, and then you can make this tight. If you make it tight, then you're gonna lose all that pole length because that's gonna go down in. You can set the length that you want. I assume with these arrows here, on here, you probably want to put it about right there. That will give it the perfect support. Once you have the legs set how you want, you know, let's go ahead and show you guys in a wide angle. So this is how it looks, and these all are for tightening. So when you have the legs at the position you want, you would tighten this up. Now you don't have to tighten these really hard, just enough that it stays. If you tighten them too hard, they have a tendency to break. Same with this one. So you have these little clamps right here, and as you lift one clamp, that allows you to lift up the pole inside from here, and same with the top one. So as you guys can see here, it goes very high. So far, I like this. The quality of the metal is definitely a lot stronger than other ones I've reviewed. Most of the ones I reviewed, the metal is very thin and it breaks. This is much more solid metal. And as you can see at the top, they already have a threaded piece on here. So you can actually mount your GoPro right directly on there with an extension for your GoPro. If you're using a GoPro, or you can use what they provide you for your phone. So the piece that they provide you for your phone has a two-way thread, so you could actually thread it on like that, or you can thread it on like that. So let's say you want to do videos facing down on a desk, you can actually thread this in just like this. Sorry for the poor lighting, my friends, but you know, as you can see now, so you can have your phone here. So now our camera is looking straight directly down, and you can position this. You know, you could have your phone sticking out here, so your phone would be out here. With that extension, if you put it up like this way, you can have it facing up, you know, and then you can put it to the side, facing outward, frontward, however you want to do. And then of course, they also provided this piece, which makes all that does is thread right in, and you're able to adjust it and then rotate your device around left and right and position it customly however you want. So this is a really nice tripod. I'm actually probably going to be using this for different reviews that I do because it's very practical. So many extensions that you can do. So yeah, I'm very impressed. Normally I'm not too impressed with tripods because of how cheap they're made. Most companies really go cheap. This metal, it's not, you know, the most highest quality, but it's solid. So as I try and flex this here, if I would push this much pressure that I'm doing right now, I know you guys can't see the flex, but I'm flexing it really hard. Your typical cheaper tripod would break, so it would snap. This one doesn't even bend. It bends a little bit, but it's not, you know, bending that it actually manipulates the form of it. So this one is definitely, I would say, a mid-range, high-quality, mid-range tripod. So it's definitely going to work out for most people's applications. Most people are not going to need, you know, extreme construction heavy-duty tripod. This one is probably what I would say 80% of the population are gonna want. The cheaper ones, you can go with them. You know, you guys know what I'm talking about. The ones that are like that thin, you could go with them, or even that thin. They're really hollow inside. You could go with them, but you're probably going to have to get multiple ones over a course. This one should last you pretty much a lifetime.